Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. We'll be getting started with the 3D market commentary for today, August 4th, 2021. My name is Bojan Petreski. Go by Bo. Easy to say to remember. We'll be getting started in just a few minutes here. Please take a look at that disclaimer, read it, understand it, please, and we'll be getting started. All right, so this is the 3D Market Commentary newsletter that you will be receiving should you sign up with our free membership. This will be coming to you Monday through Friday every day. We'll be looking at the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility, hence the 3D approach. The first market that we're going to analyze is the S&P 500. Let me just double check that everything's okay here. We should be good. Yes, we are. Okay. The S&P 500, we have an up climate, the first confirmed up climate out of typically 9. Okay, let's just pull this back a little bit down and get rid of these guys. So we are looking at the first, as I said, first day out of typically 9. We do not have any sell UFOs. We have a buy UFO down at 43.7150 to 43.4150. That's this UFO here. It's been tested a few times now and is still holding. Based on the VIX, we're looking at 18.25% volatility with the daily expected move of 50.72. That's that for the ES. I'm sure you've seen before, we're just pushing up on all-time highs again, a little bit in the red before the start of the day. And then, of course, ADP employment came a little on the low side, not a little, I would say about half of what was the consensus. So we're going to see how the market's going to react once we open. If you're looking for education, if you're looking for courses and instructions in futures, stocks, or forex, backtesting, trading plans, or psychology, you've come to the right place. Click this link here to browse our courses, and we do have a 3-month complimentary access to AutoUFOs and AutoClimate on your preferred platform should you sign up with a course. All right, looking at crude oil next, we have a down climate. It is confirmed, and it's the second one out of typically 7 days. So we're looking at a sell UFO up above here at 72.93 to 74.23, and a buy UFO down here at 67.61 to 65.01. Based on the OVX, we got elevated volatility, as you can see by these extended range candles, right? We got a lot of movement happening on crude oil. Which is not uncommon. It's almost expected to an extent. $1.66 for the day, which has we got a high of 70.81 and a low of 69.04. So that's already been done before crude opens in about 15 minutes from now. Now, if you just need the AutoUFOs apps, the proprietary software that you're seeing here on the screen, as well as the AutoClimate, you can just click this link here. We have monthly or yearly memberships. All right, looking at gold next. So gold is in an up climate. It is the 4th day. It is confirmed, and it's the 4th day out of typically 7. It is currently within a sell UFO, as we're seeing here. Of course, the higher concentration of these orders are up here, right where this UFO starts. This buy UFO is down below at 1652.8 to 1624.4. Based on the market volatility, we're looking at 15.09%. All right, now if you do need coaching or support, we have daily live trading sessions happening every day, and they do fit, I would say, just about any time zone. But we also have all asset advanced coaching that you can sign up for, which is setting up sessions one-on-one with instructors here that you see on the channel. Definitely check this link out here and be sure to set up a session with your preferred instructor. Looking at the Dixie right now, the dollar index, it is a down climate. It's confirmed, and it's the 7th day out of typically 6. So it's the first day into hopeful territory. We have a sell UFO up here at 92.235 to 92.845, and a buy UFO 90.6040 through 93.10. I think that's that's gotta be the first one. Yep. The 93.10. Market volatility 5.47% and 0.32 for the daily expected move, which has already happened. Now, if you don't want to just read this overview in your email, you can join myself and my colleague Becky every day. This is broadcast daily on our YouTube channel. You can click this link here to go to the YouTube channel. You can click the link to like and subscribe to our channel so we can help the YouTube algos kind of spread the word for our channel. And you can also see some missed commentaries and see how things played out afterwards. All right, looking at Bitcoin next, we're looking at the 10th day. Oops, we're looking at the 10th day up, out of to be determined. It is an up in a confirmed climate. It is basically touching, it was falling off a UFO that was recently developed, 41,325 through 38,575, as well as down below here, 32,820 through 31,615. According to BVIN, the volatility is just extremely elevated for Bitcoin, so please make sure you know what you're trading. All right, now if you are interested in any of what I've said here or mentioned here, please schedule a clarification call where you can discuss courses, apps, coachings, or different memberships that we offer on our channel. And you can schedule this clarification call and go over it with a live human being on the other side who's going to help you determine, or at least give you a little bit of guidance on which way you might be thinking of this, of taking your next step. All right, and then of course we have quite a bit of news today. ADP just came out. It was actually at 330,000 versus the 695 consensus. So definitely lower number. Most likely going to play into the markets as they open up. We're going to see how the market's going to react. And then of course we have some ISM services, trade balance, retail sales in Europe also came in. I believe it came in a little lower, but I don't have it in front of me here. Tomorrow, British pound news, quite a bit of them, Aussie as well, and then non-farm payrolls in the U.S. on Friday, as well as Canadian unemployment and net change in employment. All right, folks, thank you very much for joining me on this wonderful Wednesday morning for me. Hope you found this session helpful, and I will catch you soon. Take care.